Hello and welcome back to Coca English, the podcast where we explore one single word in every episode. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. We're so happy you're here with us today. Our goal is simple, to help you understand and love English words, one step at a time.
That's right, Sam. And today we have a very special word. It's a word that sometimes makes people feel a little nervous.
Oh no, Layla. Is it a difficult word? Should I be scared?
Don't be scared, Sam. It's not a monster. It's actually a very polite and helpful word. It just wants to be used correctly. The word for today is whom.
Whom? W-H-O-M.
Yes, that's the one. It looks a lot like its cousin, who, but they have different jobs in a sentence. Think of who and whom as two brothers. Who is the friendly, outgoing brother you see everywhere. Whom is the quieter, more formal brother who stays home, but he's still very important.
So we're going to learn about this quiet brother today. But first, Layla, why do we need whom? Isn't who enough?
That's a great question, Sam. In many everyday conversations, people use who for everything, and that's often okay. But if you want to speak very correct English, especially in writing, knowing how to use whom can make your English sound very polished and clear. It's like knowing the secret handshake.
A secret handshake for English? I like that. So let's learn the secret. What does whom mean?
Okay, let's keep it simple. We use who when we are talking about the person doing the action. We use whom when we are talking about the person receiving the action.
Receiving the action? Can you give me an example?
Of course. Let's start with a simple sentence with who. Who called Sam? In this sentence, who is doing the calling? Someone is calling. That someone is doing the action. So we use who.
I see. So, who called Sam? Who is the caller, the doer?
Perfect. Now let's change the question. Imagine you see Sam talking to a nice woman. I ask you, whom is Sam talking to?
Okay. Whom is Sam talking to? In this sentence, what is the action?
The action is talking. Who is doing the talking?
Sam is doing the talking.
Correct. Sam is the one talking. So, who is receiving the talking? Who is Sam talking to?
The woman. The woman is receiving the action of talking.
Exactly. Because the woman is the receiver of the action, we use whom. So, whom is Sam talking to? The quiet brother whom points to the woman.
This is starting to make sense, but I have a problem. How can I remember this when I'm speaking quickly?
I have a fantastic, simple trick for you. It's the he, him, or she, her trick. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. When you are making a question, think about the answer. If the answer can be he or she, then use who. If the answer can be him or her, then use whom.
Wow. Say that again. That sounds easy.
Let's test it. I ask, blank called Sam. What is the answer? He called Sam or him called Sam?
He called Sam. You would never say him called Sam. That's wrong.
Right. So since the answer is he, we use who. Who called Sam?
Okay, I'm with you.
Now let's try the other one. Blank is Sam talking to. What is the answer? Sam is talking to he, or Sam is talking to him.
Sam is talking to him. Sam is talking to he sounds strange.
It does. So, since the answer is him, we use whom. Whom is Sam talking to? The him inside the answer tells us to use whom. See? H-I-M for H-W-O-M.
Him, whom, her, whom. That is a great trick. So it's not so scary after all. You just need to think about the answer.
Exactly. Let's practice with a few more examples, Sam. I'll give you a question, and you tell me if we should use who or whom. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Blank did you see at the park?
The answer would be, I saw her at the park. It's her. So that means we need whom. Whom did you see at the park?
Wonderful. Next one. Blank wants to drink coffee.
The answer is he wants to drink coffee, or she wants to. It's he or she, so we use who. Who wants to drink coffee? That one is easy.
You're a natural, Sam. One more. This present is for blank.
Let's see. This present is for him, or this present is for her. It's him or her, so we need whom. Whom is this present for? It sounds a bit formal, but it's correct.
You are absolutely right. It does sound formal, and that's an important point. You will see and hear whom more often in formal writing, in books, or in very polite questions. In many casual conversations, people just say, "Who is that present for?" But now you know the correct way.
So we don't always have to use it, but it's very good to know. It's like having a special tool in your English toolbox. You can use it when you want to be extra clear or formal.
That's the perfect way to think about it. It's a special, polite tool.
You know, Layla, I feel much better about whom now. It's not a monster. It's just a polite word that needs a little extra attention.
I'm so glad, Sam. And that's what Coca English is all about. We take words that might seem confusing and we make them friendly and easy to understand. And now it's your turn. Yes, you listening to us. We would love to hear from you. The best way to remember a new word is to use it. So, your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to write a sentence in the comments using the word whom. It can be a question or a statement. Don't be afraid to make a mistake. We are all here to learn together. Sam and I read all your comments and we love them.
For example, you could write something like, "This is the friend with whom I go to school," or "Whom did you meet yesterday?" Try it out.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today on Coca English. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word whom.
Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and have fun with English. Goodbye.
Bye!